Guys, welcome back to another video, and this is one of those videos where you just don't want to make them, and like taking losses in the markets, but they're very important. That's why win rates exist. But so let me get straight to this. GU, I actually took 2 losses on GU. These were Monday trades, but I couldn't record them on Monday because the one trade was literally open for the whole day. And I woke up to the loss, which is perfectly fine. And today I didn't trade because I'll say at the end of the video why. So let me get straight into let me actually say that now because so I can get rid of just that part. The reason why I didn't take a trade today or work today is because I was just working on my relationship with God, which is very important because I don't want to end everything and then lose God in the end. So I need God in everything that I do. So all the power that I have, all the knowledge that I have is through God. I do everything through God. But yeah, let me get straight into this trade. So GU on the daily, I don't like to look at much, but I'm aware of the fact that price is still dropping. We're still pulling back and price is attracted to this demand zone down here. So I'm aware of that, but I can't trade the daily candle. It's just a candle. So then dropping down to my 4-hour time frame, I was aware of the fact that price came up here and just about swept a bit of liquidity on that high in the pullback, on the 4H internal pullback, because the 4H is bullish, but it's currently pulling back and the internal is bearish to facilitate the pullback. So price right now is still dropping. This is where we could see a reversal or reaction where price then, in order to continue with the trend, it will do something like this. And then we can start targeting the high, but that's not to worry about right now. And price was dropping right now, but in my perspective, this zone wasn't strong enough. So I was looking to see maybe price could push a bit higher, because when I dropped down to my 1-hour time frame, yeah, price was pretty bearish. You're pretty bearish, but I don't look at that much. I was looking at the fact that price had mitigated the demand, gave chop to the upside, which turned out to be a liquidity sweep, so you could still move up and then go lower. But then dropping down to my M15, this was just wicks, but sometimes price wicks a bit and doesn't really show what it's trying to do. So I was bullish the whole time on this whole move because price hadn't given me a proper direction. And I was waiting to just trade price from somewhere down here, targeting this high. So then having this bullish internal structure, when my M15 is actually bearish, I was looking to see price just push a bit high before going lower. I was actually trying to anticipate price taking out this high right here. And then I was just waiting for confirmation here, and here it looked like price had given me confirmation, and I decided to take a buy just around here, targeting the high. But this buy didn't go so well and I got taken straight out. And then right after that trade, I was still bullish. My bias was still bullish, so I was just waiting for price to give me confirmation. And then I played price out. And then around this time, that's when it was looking interesting. Set my alarm just around here and waited for price to break above. And then as soon as price broke above, that's when I was looking to enter this trade. And this is the zone I was looking to play price from. And then I just dropped down to my M5 time frame for my entry. So yeah, as soon as price made this low right here, because I wasn't looking to see price sweep this for liquidity, but it can. So I was just looking for a low to be made within the zone, and then I'll put my entry right there. Put my entry line and then my entry right there. My stop loss just below the full demand range. And I was targeting the high as well. So then let me let this trade play out. And then price obviously played. This trade went on for about a whole day. Like, it was just mising me the whole time. Like, look at this. literally just playing out like that. And then throughout the night at around, this is around 3, so that's like Asian session, price actually looked like it was going to hit TP, but price just ended up coming lower and taking me out like that, which is perfectly fine. So those were the 2 trades that I took on Monday, and today I didn't take any trades. I'll be looking to take trades tomorrow, but we'll see if I get good enough setups. And that's pretty much it, since I was working on my relationship with God, because it's very important for me right now to know where I'm headed and what I need to do. So just putting my trust in him and faith in him. But yeah, so those were the 2 trades that I took on Monday. Let's see how the rest of the week goes, and have a good evening. Of course, if this video drops on time and you get to watch it on time. But thank you though.